So in this video, we're going to talk about the step-by-step process of withdraw USDC withdraw from your Binance account directly to your bank account, your local bank account. So if you're not subscribed to this channel by now, please hit that subscription button and then subscribe. All right, let's say you have USDT somewhere or around, and then you are thinking of withdrawing to your local bank account. And before now, you've been using exchange upon exchanges, and you don't know how to do that by yourself. It's just as simple as ABC. So in this video, I'm just going to take you through the process. It's just very simple. All right, it's just how to convert it into the popular coin that you can withdraw using P2P into your bank account. So stay tuned.
It's a simple tutorial on how to withdraw USDC to your bank account in your country, let's say Nigeria, for instance, from your Binance account. Now, if you check on the P2P right here, you will see, let me say so, you will see that there's no USDC here. All right, so first of all, I have, if you check this account right here, go to margin. Right here, you see I have USDC deposited, which is about 81.72 dollars that is deposited here. So that is the amount that is right here. So now, first thing that you want to gonna do right now is to exchange it to a coin that could be sold through the P2P option, and that's what I'm going to do right now. And you can do that by going to market here. All right, click on market, then search US, just search, click on the search bar, then type in USDC, and then you see USDC slash USDT 3x. All right, click on that one. All right, then what I'm doing here is I'm selling the USDT, so I click on sell, then change this from limit to market, then click max. Click max. So I'm selling all the USDC uh, to USDT. All right, when I click sell, immediately it is sold. Now let's click back to our account spot. You can see that it is USDT that is at the top spot. So now I can perform some internal transfer. What am I transferring? USDT. I'm transferring max, that's all. So I click on max, so it's been transferred to P2P wallet. Then I can come to P2P here to start exchanging it. It's as simple as that. Okay, it's as simple as that. So let us proceed to exchange it right now. So what I have to do right here now is I have to scroll through the list of ads, and mostly the first ad is always displaying about let's say 1,000 to 1,000, and I'm talking about naira, which is very small. So I have to go over to somewhere here and then reset the range I want to my money my phone into. This is that's putting at least 30,000 within such range, and most times I need to enable this bank transfer so that I will see ads only within that range, so that you not see those mobile top ups. So you can see the those that are doing ads within that range has appeared, it has changed. So I click on the one that is suitable by me. When I click on it, I enter max and then sell to them. Once I sell to them, I await their response. Then I quickly go to the message box and send a message that I'm awaiting their response. Okay. So most times, if they waste more than 20 minutes, I use the call button right here to call them. That is at the top right here, to call them, and they respond as soon as possible. So while this person have 28 minutes left to respond, so while waiting for this person to respond, just in why, and let me not say waiting, in a short while this person will respond and the funds will be made available. So if you actually enjoy this, I urge you to subscribe, like this video, share, and comment. So immediately this person mark my order as paid. So you see I receive an SMS. Okay, I receive an SMS notification and then I get notified on Binance that my order has been marked as paid. So if I go back, see that it has changed. So what I just have to do here is to check it and then uh, confirm it. All right, so I have to go and confirm it before I release it. So you can see for real the order has been paid, so I can now go ahead to confirm it and release the coin to him. So I can now click on the confirm button. I understand I've received the money, confirm, and a code will be sent to the mobile number registered on this account. And once it's received, automatically submit, and boom, I've just released this amount in USDT to him. And with most times I do rate people like this that comes in so fast positive. So that's good, and we're done. See you in my next video.